from Sanskriti Higher Secondary School, and today I am going to discuss with you some basic concepts of biology. We know that biology is a kind of science which deals with living organisms, and also it deals with the factors affecting the life of living organisms. Now we know that the body of living organism is made up of one or more cells. So we can say that cell is nothing but it is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. Now, can you think what the cell is made up of? The cell is made up of membranes and membranous organelles. And these membranes and membranous organelles are made up of macromolecules. The macromolecules are made up of micromolecules. And micromolecules are made up of atoms. And atoms are made up of some atomic particles. Now today we are going to concentrate on some of the macromolecules. So macromolecules, they are essential for the formation of membranes and membranous organelles. They are also responsible for the life of living organisms. Some of the macromolecules which we know, those are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, and vitamins. But some of us will think or we have thought that we look like our parents and our generation look like our ancestors. Little bit differences are there, but we resemble the characteristics of our parents or grandparents. So this is the phenomenon to retain the characteristics of our previous generations, and that is known as heredity. So heredity is nothing but the transmission of characters from the parents to the offspring. And friend, can you tell me which thing, which structure, which molecule is responsible for the transmission of characters, for the transmission of heredity? Yes. Think. Most of us are aware about the word DNA. What is DNA? DNA is nothing but deoxyribonucleic acid. This is a kind of nucleic acid, and nucleic acid is nothing but polymer which contains various monomers. The monomers of nucleic acids are called nucleotides. And a single nucleotide contains three basic components. The first one is called pentose sugar. The second one is called nitrogen base. and the third one is known as phosphate group. Now the pentose sugar, it is a kind of carbohydrate. And this carbohydrate is also having its monomer known as monosaccharides. And the monosaccharide, which contains 5 carbon in its structure, is known as pentose sugar. The pentose sugars are of various types, but the 2 pentose sugars which take part in the constitution of nucleic acids, they are called ribose and deoxyribose. The third one is ribulose, but it is not required for the constitution of deoxyribose nucleic acid or nucleic acid. In the structure of DNA, only deoxyribose sugar is incorporated, not ribose. Ribose occurs in the structure of RNA. Deoxyribose occurs in the structure of DNA. And the general empirical formula of deoxyribose sugar is C5H10O4. Now you have seen the structure of DNA. The structure of DNA was given by 2 scientists, Watson and Crick, and their friend, colleague known as Wilkinson. And so that they have got Nobel Prize. But if you see the structure, in the structure of DNA, 2 chains, they become helically coiled with each other and they form like a spiral staircase. So friends, can you draw the structure of DNA? Some of you will draw like this. It is not. Some of you will draw like this. It is also wrong. The structure of DNA, the double helical structure of DNA, is having its convolution towards the right angle or right side. So there is a technique, different kinds of technique to draw the structure of DNA. The foremost easy technique is to take 2 pencils or pens and then you have to hold it like this, right? Like this, so that between the 2 tips there will be some of the distance, and then you have to put on your paper and start drawing. Do not lift your hand, otherwise you will lose the particular shape of DNA. This is the first chain of DNA. And now the second one. See friends, this is the structure of DNA. Isn't it nice? The second one, that is like this. You have to draw the rectangles. And the rectangles must be arranged by their edges at 45-degree angle. Like this. And then what you have to do? You have to connect the upper lines with upper lines. Like this. and the lower lines with lower lines, like this. So see, this is the structure of DNA. Another easy method, you have to draw 4 parallel lines, and then again you have to form a rectangle. Like this. Then again form a rectangle. Like this. Then again form a rectangle. Like this. Got it, friends? Now delete or rub every excess lines. So you will get the rectangles which I have shown you earlier here. And then what you have to do, you have to connect all the upper lines with upper lines, all the lower lines with lower lines. And this is known as the structure of DNA. Again, inside it, you have to draw different kinds of bonds connecting both the chains. The bonds are called weak hydrogen bonds. So friends, you can see the structure of DNA, colorful, enlighten the structure of DNA you can see over here. Now in next video, I will show you and explain you first class detailed structure of DNA. What is the structural formula of pentose sugars? What are the structural formulas of different kinds of nitrogen bases? And what do you mean by nucleoside, nucleotide and polynucleotide chain?